Yesterday I make a video related dance lighting. So today I'm going to tell you how I installed. Um, I purchased this product from Amazon. It cost around 350 rupees for me. So simple methods I used. So I put a wiring from left side on this passage, and back rear speak wiring I inserted in this place. So and we are having one chamber. This is the sensor, so it makes sense. So in the vibration in our car, it will making the light. So now I temporarily insert to disturb while driving.